The biggest problem we have identified while interviewing few of the restaurant owners and managers is managing multiple devices from aggregators like Zomato, Talabat, Uber, Foodpanda, Swiggy, and more. The restaurant receives an order on multiple devices and then push the order manually in POS, which is very time consuming and prone to errors. The second biggest challenge is menu management. The restaurant needs to communicate the changes in the restaurant, in the menu, to multiple platforms, which is a very manual process. They send the menus manually to the aggregators. They change in the platform, which is again time consuming and again prone to errors. Infinia Restaurant has come out with a solution which provides a single dashboard to manage all your online orders. There is no need to punch the orders manually into the POS. The orders from Zomato or any other platform will directly reflect in the dashboard. It works on all the devices, be it mobile, tablets, or laptops. So I'll quickly walk you through the product demo now for the online ordering. We'll see how the order from the Zomato will be directly reflecting on the dashboard, and then showing how the order gets directly into the POS. The second problem that I'll be talking today will be the menu integration, where we create an item in the POS and reflects directly onto the Zomato dashboard. So let's start with the demo. This is the restaurant which is there on Zomato, on which I'll place an order. So I'm punching the order. Let's take some notes. I'll click on continue. I select the address. I'll select the order as cash on delivery. I click on pay cash on delivery and I send the order. So this is the online dashboard which gets a notification in real time when the order is pushed. If you click on OK, the order is reflected on the dashboard. You can see the customer name, the restaurant name, the order ID, when did I receive the order is cash on delivery with the amount, the address where I have to deliver, and whether it's a self-delivery or the logistics delivery. If I view the order, you can see the customer name and all the details that we've already discussed, and I also get the additional information like it has to have extra cheese to be added, less salt and less sugar. So the order, once I accept, so I can click on the accept button and I can select how much time would I need to deliver the order. So if I select say 45 minutes and I click and accept the order directly goes to the kitchen and it prints the KOT. So you can see this order here. I can again view the order, same details are mentioned here. If I want to print the KOT in the kitchen or I want to print a receipt, I can, on the click of a button, I can print the receipt. I won't be able to show this here because I don't have a printer in front of me right now. Once the order has moved to kitchen and the order is ready to be dispatched, I click on dispatch and it gives me all the delivery boy names that are registered with our Infinia point of sales. So these are all the people that you have in your outlet or across your outlets who will be actually taking your delivery. So I can select the delivery person name, assign the order to him, and the order automatically gets assigned to that person. I go to out for delivery, the order is now reflected here. And the delivery boy name, here I've taken a alias name Virender and his number, and delivery type, and all the other details are already reflected. So this person goes and deliver the product to the customer place. Either he calls from the location that the order is delivered, or he comes back and he say the order has been delivered. You can click here and you mark it as delivered. So it's straight, simple process with 3 clicks. Now let's go to the restaurant and look at the transaction. So this was the transaction, this was the order ID number if you remember, which was placed from Zomato and the order has directly got into the point of sales. So if you see like you don't need to accept the order on the device, then come and punch the order manually in the point of sales. So everything has been done on a click of 3 steps. That's easy. Hi, so let's go through the menu creation now. So we'll create a menu item. So the problem that we discussed initially was that if you have to make any changes in the menu. So today it reflects in the POS, but it doesn't get reflected on the online platform. So if I have to make a change on Zomato or Talabat or Fodora or say Uber or Foodpanda or Swiggy, I have to manually inform all these platforms that these are the changes in the menu or any prices or anything related to menu configuration, and that's like a big headache for a restaurant manager or owner to go through these possible platforms. And then these guys take their own sweet time to make the changes. So what we have done is we have integrated this with our platform. So let's go and create a menu item. Say, let's add a cake, desserts. Let's add a cake here. Let's call it walnut cake with cheese. Don't know much about this, but let's see. We're just seeing how this will get created on the platform. We say walnut. Is it available for treats? No, it's not. Call it WC001. Selling price is 500. Add-ons, let's leave the add-ons for now. Add-ons is actually if you're having a cake which is say half a kg and you want to order 1 kg or 2 kg, so you need to go and create multiple items. So you can add 1 kg price and 2 kg price, and when I'm selecting a product, it automatically reflects the add-ons as well, and that can be added, or it can be called customization as well, but do not consider that right now. Advanced is where on which restaurants this is available. So if I can manage multiple restaurants from Infinia. So for now, what we'll do is we'll say, okay, it's available on Feast. Let's put the purchase price as 300, and by default, the takeaway price and the delivery price remains the same as what we have put in here. This is the dining price, but I can change the price here if I say, okay, when I'm delivering the cake, since I have some cost attached to my delivery, I will charge say 200 more. So I can say my delivery price is 700 and my takeaway price is same as 500. Takeaway and dine remains the same. Somebody picks it up, right? So I can add the price, change the price here, and I say save. And the item has been added successfully, the walnut cake with cheese. Let's go and look at the Zomato platform now, whether it's reflecting there or not. So let's refresh it. And the walnut cake is available here. So this, like, it took me like 5 seconds, maximum 10 seconds to create an item, and then it gets reflected on the platform. So depending on what platforms you are, so you're on Talabat or any other platform, you can decide that this item I'll be selling on which platform. That is also configurable. You can define it and have the specific pricing available here. So that's it from our side. Thanks very much.